Crash Course on Spanish Politics. An exploration of Spain's political system, including its constitution, political parties, and key political figures. Certainly. Spanish politics. Spain is a parliamentary monarchy, which means that it has a monarch as its head of state, but the government is run by a prime minister and a parliament. The current Spanish constitution was adopted in 1978 and has been amended several times since then. The Spanish political system is made up of several political parties, with the two largest being the Spanish Socialist Workers Party and the People's Party. One interesting story that stands out in Spanish politics is the transition from a dictatorship to a democracy in the late 1970s. The dictator Francisco Franco had ruled Spain for nearly 4 decades, and his death in 1975 paved the way for democratic reforms. King Juan Carlos I played a crucial role in this transition, with his support for democracy and his refusal to support a military coup in 1981. Top 12 Spanish important politics figures. 1. King Juan Carlos I, King of Spain from 1975 to 2014, known for his role in the transition from dictatorship to democracy. 2. Felipe VI, current King of Spain, ascended to the throne in 2014 after the abdication of his father, Juan Carlos I. 3. Adolfo Suarez, Prime Minister of Spain from 1976 to 1981, played a key role in the transition to democracy. 4. José María Aznar, Prime Minister of Spain from 1996 to 2004, oversaw significant economic reforms. 5. José Luis Rodríguez Zapatero, Prime Minister of Spain from 2004 to 2011, known for his social reforms and his response to the global financial crisis. 6. Mariano Rajoy, Prime Minister of Spain from 2011 to 2018, known for his austerity policies and his handling of the Catalan independence movement. 7. Santiago Carrillo, Spanish communist politician who played a key role in the transition to democracy. 8. Manuel Aznar, Prime Minister of Spain during the Second Spanish Republic, known for his democratic and liberal reforms. 9. Francisco Largo Caballero, Prime Minister of Spain during the Second Spanish Republic, known for his socialist policies. 10. Dolores Ibárruri, Spanish communist politician and feminist, known as La Pasionaria. 11. Santiago Abascal, founder and leader of the far-right party Vox, which has gained significant support in recent years. 12. Pablo Iglesias, co-founder and former leader of the left-wing party Podemos, known for his populist and anti-establishment views. In summary, Spanish politics is an interesting mix of monarchy, parliamentary democracy, and a diverse range of political parties. The transition from dictatorship to democracy in the late 1970s was a crucial moment in Spanish political history, and the country continues to face political challenges today, including the issue of Catalan independence. And now, for the poem. The Spanish political scene. A monarchy, a parliament, and in between. A constitution, parties of every stripe. A history of transition, and moments of strife. Juan Carlos I led the way. From dictatorship to democracy day by day. Adolfo Suarez, Aznar, Zapatero II. Leaders who steered Spain anew. Rajoy and his austerity. Zapatero's social policies. Abascal's far-right Vox. Iglesias with his populist talks. Largo Caballero, Aznar, La Pasionaria. Leaders who fought for a better criteria. Carrillo, the communist politician. Their roles in Spanish history, a vivid rendition. Politics in Spain, a complex mix. With challenges and opportunities to fix. But through it all, the country perseveres. Guided by its leaders, throughout the years. And now, for the song. Verse 1. In Spain's political system, it's a complex affair. With a constitution that outlines how it should be run and where. Political parties are many, but some stand out with might. And key figures shape the nation's history, with power and insight. Chorus. Oh, Spanish politics, it's a game of strategy. A dance of power, where each move affects society. From monarchs to presidents, from Franco to Sanchez. The story of Spanish politics, it's a fascinating legacy. Verse 2. In the early days, it was Ferdinand and Isabella who unified the country, with a zeal that was stellar. Then came the Republic, with its hopes and dreams. But the Civil War shattered it, in a sea of screams. Chorus. Oh, Spanish politics, it's a game of strategy. A dance of power, where each move affects society. From monarchs to presidents, from Franco to Sanchez. The story of Spanish politics, it's a fascinating legacy. Bridge. From Adolfo Suarez to Mariano Rajoy. From Felipe González to Pablo Iglesias, oh boy. Each one had a vision, a plan for the land. And some left a legacy that will always stand. Chorus. Oh, Spanish politics, it's a game of strategy. A dance of power, where each move affects society. From monarchs to presidents, from Franco to Sanchez. The story of Spanish politics, it's a fascinating legacy. ***, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Spain has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Spain, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, AnHub Metaverse team.